Are you looking for the golden fountain of youth? You found it. Welcome to Youthful, your go-to place for health tips. Have you ever wished for a magical elixir that could keep your skin glowing, youthful, and wrinkle-free? What if I told you it's already sitting in your kitchen? That's right, today, we're talking about the anti-aging magic of raw honey. Stick around because I'll be revealing how this golden nectar fights wrinkles, boosts collagen, and gives your skin that radiant, youthful glow. And hey, if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel, and I promise to keep the health tips coming. Now, let's dive into this sweet fountain of youth. Make sure you stay to the end to find out the #1 best honey for youth. Let's get a little nerdy for a second. Don't worry, I'll keep it fun. Raw honey is packed with antioxidants, specifically flavonoids and polyphenols, which help fight off free radicals. These little troublemakers are responsible for aging, wrinkles, and all those fine lines we wish would just disappear. Honey is also loaded with natural enzymes and amino acids that promote skin regeneration. Basically, think of it as nature's Botox, but without the scary needles. Now, let's talk about collagen, aka the protein that keeps our skin plump and youthful. As we age, collagen production slows down. Rude, right? But raw honey helps by deeply hydrating the skin, keeping it firm and reducing fine lines. Plus, it has natural humectant properties, meaning it pulls moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. So, while your expensive face creams are draining your wallet, honey is out here keeping your skin hydrated and happy for just a few bucks. Okay, enough science. Let's get our hands sticky. I've got 4 simple but super effective do-it-yourself honey face masks that will have your skin thanking you. Number 1, the Glow Getter Mask. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix it up. Apply for 15 minutes and boom, bright glowing skin. Just don't go overboard with the turmeric unless you want to look like a human highlighter. Number 2, the Collagen Booster Mask. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 egg white for firming, and 1 teaspoon of Greek yogurt. This one tightens and lifts. Apply for 15 minutes and your skin will feel like it just got a mini facelift, minus the scary Hollywood Frozen look. Number 3, the Hydration Bomb Mask. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of avocado, and a few drops of olive oil. This is a drink of water for your skin, perfect for dry or winter-worn faces. Leave it on for 20 minutes and bask in the hydration. And number 4, the Acne Fighter Mask. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and just a few drops of tea tree oil. This one is great for breakouts. Honey's antibacterial properties combined with tea tree oil and cinnamon will help clear up acne fast. Just be careful, cinnamon can be strong, so do a patch test first. But wait, honey isn't just great for your skin, it's a game changer for your hair too. If you want luscious thick locks, honey can help. It nourishes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth. Mix a tablespoon of honey with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp for 15 minutes before rinsing. Your hair will feel softer, shinier, and healthier. Honey can also double as a face wash. Just take a teaspoon of raw honey, rub it between your fingers, and massage it onto your face. It removes dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of natural oils. Want extra exfoliation? Add a little sugar or ground oats, and boom, you've got a natural scrub. Honey isn't just for beauty, it's also a natural healer. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help heal wounds, burns, and even acne scars. Just dab a little raw honey onto a cut, cover it with a bandage, and let nature do the work. It speeds up healing while keeping bacteria away. We've talked about putting honey on your skin, but did you know eating it can also keep you looking young? Raw honey supports gut health, which is directly linked to clear, glowing skin. A healthy gut means fewer breakouts, less inflammation, and improved collagen production. Want glowing skin? Get better sleep. Raw honey helps regulate melatonin, the sleep hormone, so you can get deeper, more restful sleep. Try adding a teaspoon of honey to a cup of chamomile tea before bed. It's a simple way to wake up refreshed and looking radiant. Now for the #1 best honey that stands out in the quest for youthful skin, it's Manuka honey. Sourced from the Manuka bush in New Zealand, this honey is packed with unique healing properties that outshine regular honey. Manuka honey is rich in methylglyoxal MgO, a compound that gives it unparalleled antibacterial properties. It's not just great for wound healing, it's a powerhouse for anti-aging. This honey can help reduce wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and bring back that youthful glow. You can use Manuka honey as a spot treatment for acne, as a face mask, or even mix it into your daily moisturizer. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it the #1 honey for youth and vitality. So if you're looking for the ultimate elixir for your skin, Manuka honey is your go-to. And there you have it, the anti-aging magic of raw honey. So before you reach for that overpriced anti-wrinkle cream, why not give nature's golden gift a try? Your skin and your wallet will thank you. Also, please leave a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback helps me create more content that you find valuable. If interested, check out my recommended link below for more healthy choices. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It helps others discover these health tips. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, stay omni-equal.